So I'll give you one more thing. See this one. We have different of installations like single system installation, distributed installation, and distributed with multiple dialog instances. That single installation means central installation means your application as well as the database in one host. See this blue box is there now, that is one host. Under that host you have your ASCS and PAS, both instances means your application as well as your database also. So if you install your application and the database in the same system, that is called as single system installation. So if you are installing in your laptop, SAP you are installing in your laptop, that means that is a single system installation. Got the point? So we install database and the application both in the same host. We don't have two different laptops, right? Everybody has only one laptop. So what we do for the practice purpose, we do installation of our application as well as the database in the same host. So when you install SAP, by default how many instances you will get? Two, ASCS and PAS in a new installation, right? So this is ASCS and this one is PAS and this is database. Application as well as the database both in the same system, it is called as central installation. Clear? Can we do this?
Yes, bhai.
Yes. It is the matter of the resources, that's it. If you have enough resources, you can install number of applications in one host or application and the database in the same host. You can do anything. The thing is instance. What is instance mean? To start up that particular application, it requires some RAM memory and processor, right? Database instance. Why I'm saying instance? It is also one application. Database also one application, right? To start up the database application, you need some RAM memory and you need some background processes. Who will give that process? Your processor. So database instance, applications, all instances you can install in one box. That is called as a central system installation. Distributed means applications in one box and database in one box. See, two blue boxes, two different hosts, India and China. For example, in India I installed, by default I got ASCS one box and central services. One is ASCS, second one is PAS. And in another box I installed my database software. That is a distributed means application in one box, database is one box. That is called as a distributed installation. Distributed instance with multiple dialog instance means distributed only, same distributed only, but multiple dialog instances, multiple additional application servers means in one system I installed my ASCS, PAS, along with that AS, 4 additional application servers. Can I install like this? We have seen this example. If you have enough resources,
Yes.
you can install multiple application servers in one host and the database in separate host. You can do like this also. Did you got the difference? You can install anything. The thing is the resources. If you have enough resources, you can install applications as well as the database in one box, or else applications in one box and database in another box, or else only applications, all applications in one box and one box with database. You can do anything if you have enough resources. See, we have 5 types of work process, right? Dialog is for login, update is for pencil button, see, change, enqueue is for key, locking mechanism, spool is for printing, background job is for long running job, that's why the clock symbol. Message server is responsible for communication between application to application, application to database within the system. Gateway is for R3 to R2, R3 to R3, R3 to non-SAP system. So you can, for communication. Okay. See, I'll show you another type. What is this installation? My application and the database. It is actually this is an old image. When I say central instance, you should understand that ASCS and PAS are there. This central instance naming convention is the old one, right? The new one is what? The central instance is divided into ASCS and PAS. So when I am saying central instance means it is ASCS plus PAS, both plus database. Can I install all in one host name India?
Yes.
Yes, that is what
Yes.
called as
Single system installation.
central system
Central
installation,
system.
single system
Yes.
installation. You can
Central
say
system.
central or single system installation. Can I install like this? My PAS, ASCS, PAS in one box and database in another box.
Yes.
Yes, that is distributed installation. Yes, wait for a
Yes.
minute. Hello? क्या बोल रहा है? So this is a distributed installation, right? Central means your ASCS and PAS in one box and database in another box. This is called distributed installation. See, this one. Can I
Excuse me,
install
sir.
like this?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here this one box means one system, one
One hardware.
hard drive,
One
right?
hardware. See, the host name.
One box means one hard drive.
Yeah, you can say one system. The combination of your CPU, RAM, motherboard, everything. The
Complete
one
system.
server.
Okay.
Okay, that physical
Okay, sir.
system. Okay, so this can I install like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
you
Yes,
can
sir. You
do.
can install.
Is it central installation or distributed? This one.
Distributed with multiple instances.
Excellent, excellent. That's it. Can I install like this? ASCS, PAS,
Yes, sir.
AS plus DA database.
Yes. Database.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Central or distributed?
Central.
Single.
Yes, single central installation.
Single.
Yes, yes, yes.
Central.
Can I install like this? When I started my business, I have only some thousand users. For thousand users, this hardware is enough. So I installed like this. After that, my business is increased. So what I do, I'll purchase a new hardware. In that hardware, I install additional application servers. What is wrong in that? That is the
No.
beauty of three-tier architecture. No? Yes, you can do that. The
Yes.
only you can install anything. The thing is resources. If you have enough resources, you can install all separate, or applications in one box and database in one box, application database in one box and other applications in one box. Only the thing is the resources. Can I install like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
I wanted to know you this thing only. So you can install anything. Don't think that every instance will have a separate host name. No. See here, three instances will have same host name. India, India, India only. So like how we are practicing from the starting. So for every instance, I am giving a new host name, so that you will feel okay. Every instance should be in the one host name. No, you can install multiple instances in a single host. So when I am explaining you the architecture, when you are at the basic level, I am saying to understand the host name concept, I am taking different boxes. But now you are somewhat matured enough to understand what is exactly host name, what is exactly instance, right? What is exactly instance? Instance.
We cannot start any application without instance.
Okay, that is a statement. Okay, right. But what is instance?
Start up with any applications to resource.
Yeah, to start up any application, we need some resources. That resources allocation is called as a instance. When I say
Yes,
instance
sir.
is started, for example, if I say start the screen recording, screen recorder.exe, one process will start. Who will start that process? Processor. To start that process, your processor should be free, and that process needs some memory. Then only this application will start. If your hardware is allocating that processor and the RAM to start this application. That is called as an instance. So instance is nothing but the startup processes, the core processes, the auxiliary process which make up one application to start is called as an instance. I hope you are everyone clear with that.
Yes, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How to start your application? SAP. How you start your SAP on Windows? So this is my SAP system. Okay. SAP is installed. The application and the database both installed in the same system. How you find out now? See, open this drive, your C drive. If you find this Oracle, my database is Oracle, and USR directory. There will be one directory called USR directory. When you install your Windows operating system, which directory you will get in C drive? This one. See Windows. If I remove this Windows directory, if I delete this Windows directory, will our operating system work? No. This is the root directory for your Windows operating system, right? The same way, this USR directory is the root directory for your SAP. If your SAP is installed, means there will be one USR directory. If you open that USR directory, see the application layer na. See how much data we have in application layer. See only 219 MB. 219 MB at application layer. This folder is database layer. See how much data we have in that database layer. 42 GB. So now tell me where the data is saving, in the application layer or database layer?
Database name.
Database layer. Everything, all your data will be saved at database layer. That Oracle directory, na, that is your database folder. This USR directory is your application directory. Application directory contains only 219 MB. This 219 MB has some USR SAP SID. What is your SID here? Dave.
Dev.
Dave. USR SAP SID. SID is my Dave. See under that you have sys exe run. See all your executable files. What are the executable files you know? Disp plus work.exe, right?
Yes.
msg underscore server.exe, gwr gateway.exe, start sap, stop sap, start sap.exe, stop sap.exe. All your exe files and dll files are locating where? At your kernel. This kernel resides at application server. I told you, right? Only few of the application components resides at the application server level, call them as kernel. This USR directory contains only the kernel files, the profiles, and the related information to your SAP, not actual content. Actual content is stored where? All the your logs, everything. See, USR SAP SID, instance name, work, all your logs, trace files, log files, everything will be resided application server. But all your programs, reports, screens, menu options, everything will be saved at
Database.
database layer. Remember that. Okay. Write down few things. Wait for it. Where it is. Directory structure. What is your SAP? SAP is installed. How you know? How you know SAP is installed? Screenshots. So how you find out whether SAP is installed or not?
Sir, on screen the SAP application will
R3.
be shown, sir.
On screen,
On desktop we will show the SAP login.
SAP logon. Okay, SAP logon pad will be at your desktop also.
Yes, sir.
You
And
are logging from your home, no? You are also having that SAP GUI. SAP
log
GUI where you install actually at presentation layer,
on
no? So
Yes,
that doesn't
presentation.
mean SAP is installed in your system. So how you say SAP is installed at your system? Go to the directory, and in that directory you will find, if you find USR directory, na, that is
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
just like your Windows and program files. See Windows program files there, right? So that means SAP is installed. Right. Windows is installed there. If not, yeah, I got it.
There is no install.
I'm waiting for this. See, we have four important directories at application level. We have four important directories. What are they? One is a kernel directory, profile directory, trans directory, and work directory. See, write down this. You will find all these directories in your USR directory. You will get USR directory. When you install your recipe, na, by default, you will get USR directory. Under the directory, you have four directories. Just now I have shown you kernel directory. Second one is profile directory, transport directory, work directory. These four directories are very important for a basis consultant. At database level, you will have two directories. One is Oracle Home, second one is SAP Data Home. What is Oracle Home? What is SAP Data Home means? Oracle Home means, for example, your database is Oracle. You will get Oracle folder. Under that, you will get open two subdirectories. One is Oracle Home. Second one is your SID. What is your SID here in this case? Dev.
Dev.
In Oracle, you will get Ora 92 and Dev. Ora 92 means this is Oracle 9 version. Oracle Home means all your software content will be saved there. All your database software. See, I'll show you that. If I open that Oracle directory, na, see, if I open that Oracle directory, you'll get two directories. One is SAP Data Home with SID. SID directory is what? What we call
Dev.
SAP Data Home. All your SAP data, all your program repository, SAP repository plus business data will store here. And your Oracle's repository means your Oracle's library files, binary files, JDBC drivers, ODBC drivers, Oracle software related content will be saved in this Oracle Home. If your Oracle is 9, that will be Ora 92. If your Oracle is Oracle 10G, Ora 10, Ora 11, Ora 12, like that, you will get that directory name. See, this directory size is only 1 GB. Entire directory is this one only, 41 GB. So all your database will store here. Only the software, Oracle software will save here in this directory. This is called as Oracle Home. This is called as SAP Data Home. And another thing, if you open that USR directory, in that USR directory, USR SAP SID sys profile. This is called as profile directory. This one is very important. What is that? USR SAP SID sys profile. See, I'll paste this one. The location is what? USR SAP SID sys profile. This is your
Profile.
profile directory. Another one is USR SAP SID sys exe run. This directory is your kernel directory. All your what executable files and DLL files will save here. Wait, I'll write down all those things. Okay. Another directory is USR SAP trans directory. USR SAP trans. This directory. This is for transports. In SAP, we do so many transports. The directory location is USR SAP trans. Another one is work directory. USR, SAP, SID, instance name,
SID.
and work. What is this instance
Okay.
name? DVEMBGS01, right?
Zone.
That is your work directory. These four directories are very, very important directories. Write down. This is what your profile directory. Nothing to worry. You will
Money.
easily understand what is that. This is your kernel directory. This is your transport directory. This is your work directory. You will work on these four directories as a basis consultant. You will work on these four directories. These four very important directories. USR, SAP, SID. Dev means your SID here, right? USR, SAP, SID, sys, UXE run, USR, SAP, trans, USR, SAP, SID. Everything is where? In your USR directory only. This is common. USR, SAP is common for all. This is just like your Windows directory for your Windows operating system. No? For SAP application, this USR directory is that much important. If there is no USR directory, means there is no SAP installed in your system. Before starting SAP, we should understand all these things. Finish. What is your work directory? Anyone? Location. Work directory location.
USR. Yeah.
USR.
User SAP,
No user boss. USR.
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 USR,
USR.
SAP.
SAP.
SAP,
SID.
AV.
SID.
Dev.
Instance name.
Instance name. Instance name.
Okay.
Work. USR.
Work.
SAP. SID. Instance name. Work. USR. SAP.
Okay.
Trans. USR. SAP. SID. Sys. EXE run. USR. SAP. SID. Sys profile. These are the four directories. Remember. At application level, you will have USR directory. Under the directory, these four are very important directories. We regularly use these directories. At database level, you will have this folder. For example, if your database is Oracle, under that Oracle, you will have two things: Oracle Home. Second one is SAP Data Home. Okay, this is your application related files. These are your database related. Two layers: application layer. This one is database layer. See, in Oracle, you got two files, two directories. One is, what is this called? Dev. What is this one?
SID.
SAP home directory, SAP data directory, or SAP home directory. This Ora 92 is Oracle home. All your
Worker
Oracle related
was.
software will be saved here. See, if you open that Oracle, Ora home, Oracle home, all your bin buffer, bin database, JDBC drivers, ODBC drivers, all your Oracle software content will be there. If you open this Oracle SID, means database, SAP data home, SAP data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. This is your SAP data directory. These two belongs to application or database? Anyone? This directory, this dev SID directory
Application.
plus Ora 92
Application.
directory belongs to database, boss.
Sorry.
Database.
See,
Database.
these two, Oracle Home and SAP Data Home, both are database related. This kernel directory, profile directory, trans directory, and work directory, these are application related. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
And When you install your Windows operating system, what are the users you will get by default? When you install your Windows operating system, you will get two users by default, operating system level users: administrator and guest. Did you remember? Windows operating system by default you get two users: administrator and guest. Those two users are responsible for your Windows operating system. The same way, on the top of Windows operating system, you are installing SAP. It is also a huge application. Na? When you install that, by default, two users will get. One is SID ADM, second one is SAP Service SID. SID is what my Dave here. Dave ADM means administrator. SID ADM SAP Service SID. He is the administrator for your SAP and he is the administrator for your services. Please relog in. I'll explain what is difference between that. Yeah. When you install Windows, you'll get default users two: administrator and guest. Can I show you that? At operating system level, you'll get two users: administrator and guest.
Yes.
See, local users and groups. Go to users, administrator user and guest user. By default, you'll get two users. After that, if you install SAP in that, you'll get SID ADM user, SAP Service SID, operating system level users, not SAP users. Remember, at OS level, you'll get two users. One is SID ADM. My SID is Dave. That's why I got it. Dave ADM user and SAP Service SID. He is the administrator for SAP system. If you log in with the administrator, he is the operating system user. So he will have full authorizations on operating system application. If you log in with the Dave ADM, you will have full authorization on SAP system. Remember that. SAP software. This is for OS software administrator. This is SAP software administrator. Did you got the difference? That means if you log in with administrator, you will have full access on operating system. If you log in with SID ADM, this SAP, you will have full access on SAP system. Remember that. So OS level users, you will get two OS level users for SAP. What are they? SID ADM and SAP Service SID. If you have any doubt, please take a screenshot of this. And for Oracle database also, you will get to three users. One is schema user, second username is sys, third username is system. Schema user, sys user, system user. These two are SAP users. These three are database users. Administrator and guest are operating system users. See, this is my hardware, boss. On this hardware, first what software I am installing? Operating system. For that operating system, two users I am getting. What are they? Administrator and guest. On the top of operating system, I am installing database. For that database, to manage the database, I am getting three users: schema user, system user, and sys user. On the top of database, I am installing application SAP software. For SAP software also, I am getting two users: SID ADM and SAP Services SID. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. And every software will have some services. At OS level, few services are there. So for SAP, you will get two services. One is SAP OS call, SAP schema service. For Oracle also, you will get three services: Oracle Home Agent, Oracle TNS Listener, Oracle Services ID. What are the services? What is the meaning of services? See, go to services.msc. It will show all the services on the operating system. See, services. If you go with SAP services, see, SAP schema service, this one, this is SAP OS call, operating system collector. These two are SAP services. If you install Oracle database, you will get three services: Oracles, Oracle Home Age, Oracle TNS Listener, Oracle Service SID, and Oracle Home Agent will be there. Another one. These three are important services: Oracle Home Agent, Oracle Service SID, Oracle TNS Listener. Why I am showing all these things means, if your system is not starting, first of all you have to check. If your database is not starting, you have to check whether Oracle Home Agent, Oracle TNS Listener, and Oracle Service SID, these three services are started or not. See, started or not?
Started.
Started. Your application, your SAP is not starting. See, we have to check these two services: SAP Schema Service, SAP OS Call. Both should be in started. If this is okay, then your system will start. If otherwise, if these services are not started, you cannot start your application as well as the database. Remember that. That's why I'm showing you. As a basis consultant, you should know which services are related to which application. SAP services has SAP has two services. What are they? SAP OS Call and SAP Schema Service. Oracle Database has three services: Oracle Home Agent, Oracle TNS Listener, Oracle Service SID. SAP has two users: SID ADM, SAP Service SID. Oracle Database has three users: Schema user, Sys user, and System user. See how I am logging into the system? When I am logging into the system, how I am logging in? See, log off. What is this?
SID.
SID ADM.
ADM.
That means I am
ADM.
logging with SAP user, not with administrator user. Administrator is a whole and sole authorization for operating system level. But for to do anything on SAP system, I am logging. That's why even the Windows, I am starting Windows with SID ADM user. Why I am going with this user? This user will have all authorizations on your SAP application. If you log in with administrator, few authorizations will not be there. Few restrictions will be there for administrator. At OS level, you will have full authorization. For if you want to do anything on Windows operating system, administrator is okay. But if you want to do anything on SAP system, you should log in with SID ADM user. Got the point? Nothing to worry. You'll understand everything. Why I am using all these things. So the basics. I'm showing you the basics today. That's it. You'll use all these users, all these services, everything. See, administrator and guest by default. After installing of SAP, you are getting two users: SID ADM user and SAP Service SID. And when it comes to services, SAP two services. This is one is Schema Service. Second one is SAP OS Call. Oracle services: Oracle Home Agent, Oracle TNS Listener, and Oracle Service SID. So this USR directory belongs to whom? Application or database? Anyone? USR directory. This USR directory belongs to whom? Application or database? Application.
Applications.
This Oracle
Database.
database. Under that, what is this? Para 92 is what?
Database.
Home, sir.
Oracle Home.
Home,
Oracle
database.
Home means database
Home.
software related. This is what? This SID folder is what we call
SAP Data Home.
SAP Data Home. Excellent. All your SAP Data 1, Data 2, Data 3, all your business data, all your SAP programs, reports, screens, everything will store here. And how many users you will getting? OS level users for SAP. 2 users.
2.
What are they?
2. SID admin.
SID
and
ADM, not
SIP.
admin.
Sorry, ADM.
ADM means administrator.
SAP
only, but
service.
the username should be unique, SID ADM. Okay, next.
SAP server.
Service
Service.
SID. SAP Service SID. Okay.
Yes.
The Oracle users, Schema user, Sys system,
System.
SYSTEM. 3 users. Oracle services are 3. SAP users 2, services 2. Schema service, home OS call, SAP OS call. 2 users. Oracle 3 users, 3 services. Remember that.
Yes, yes.
I'll show you one more time. Is that? SAP 2 users, 2 services. Oracle 3 users, 3 services.
Three services.
Tomorrow I'll ask you all these things. You should answer me. Oracle users, schema users is system. Oracle services, Oracle home agent, TNS listener, SAP services ID. Oracle services ID. SAP services, SAP OS call, SAP schema service. SAP users, SID ADM, SAP services ID. And along with this, the directories. Kernel directory, profile directory, trans directory, and
Work,
work directory.
work directory.
Have you written that directory locations? If
Yes.
not,
Yes, sir.
I'll show you one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Profile directory, USR SAP SIDSys profile. Kernel directory, USR SAP SIDSys exe run. Transport directory, USR SAP trans. Work directory, USR SAP SID instance name work. Your flow should be like this tomorrow. Why? You are going to put 3 to 4 years of experience, right? So you are working on these
Yes.
directories regularly. You should not mutter when I ask you for this directory structure. What is kernel directory? USR SAP SIDSys exe run. The flow should be like this. Why? Every day you are working on that directories from the past 4 years. You should know what is what.